Hi traders, welcome to weekly analysis by Trade with Asim and Sajjad. For the last few weeks we are going through very volatile markets. The coming week is no different because we are expecting very important news events for almost all major pairs. If we have a look at economic calendar, we can see that every day we have bunch of news. On Monday the day will start with German manufacturing PMI for Euro. Then later for GBP we have manufacturing PMI. Both forecasts are same, but still we can expect some volatility during these hours. At 14 GMT for US dollar we have ISM manufacturing PMI. The forecast is weaker and we can expect a drop in all US pairs. On Tuesday morning the day will start with RBI interest rate decision. Though they are not going for the rate change, but we can expect a bigger volatility. We might see 50 to 100 pips move at these times. At 8:30 GMT we have construction PMI for GBP. This is very important event and we can expect some positive readings. At 16 GMT we have a Fed Chair Powell speech. This is very important event and we can expect some bigger volatility in the market for all US pairs. Fed Chair will talk about roadmap for the future monetary policy and we can expect some positive and hawkish remarks from him. Wednesday morning at 8:30 GMT we have services PMI for GBP, and then later in the US session we have ADP non-farm employment change for US dollar, ISM non-manufacturing PMI and crude oil inventories, all indicating some positive readings, and we can expect from Wednesday US dollar will again get some strength. On Thursday at 14 GMT we have for Canadian dollar IWA PMI. We can expect positive readings and Canadian dollar may get strengthened. Then Friday, October 5th, a very important day to remember. You must know about the exact time of non-farm payrolls because at these times all major pairs are very volatile. If you have any open trades at these times, just take care of your trades. At 1:30 GMT we have retail sales for Australian dollar. The forecast is positive and we can expect some rally in all Australian pairs. Then at 12:30 GMT we have non-farm payrolls. The forecast is negative and even the unemployment rate forecast is negative, so we can expect a bigger drop in all US pairs and we can expect a reversal in dollar index from Friday. Then at the same time we also have employment change for Canadian dollar. The forecast is very strong and we can expect a bigger drop in Canadian dollar. So I wish you best of luck for the coming week. Let's move to dollar index. Last week after interest rate hike and FOMC meeting we saw a bigger rally in US dollar. At the moment it's very strong. On Monday I'm expecting it can rally again to 95.57. Here we have a very strong resistance. It can go for a correction and may drop to 94.91. From here I'm expecting it will again get some strength and will try to reach 96.31. And after NFP, if it comes negative, then I'm expecting a very big drop and it can again drop to 94.41 and below. Euro dollar, after making few attempts to go higher, dropped badly after interest rate decision, and at the moment it's on 1.1602. On Monday I'm expecting it will continue for the further drop. It can drop to 1.1548 level and from here I'm expecting a correction. It can again go up to 1.1651. From Wednesday to Friday it can again drop to 1.1473 and after NFP I'm expecting it can bounce back to 1.1719 and above. Pound dollar, after touching 1.33 level, dropped badly. Then it went for a correction, but after US interest rate decision it dropped a lot. It's supposed to drop further to 1.2928 and from here I'm expecting it will go for a correction. From 1.3070 I'm expecting another drop, and then on Friday it is supposed to go all the way to 1.3205 and above. Dollar yen is one of the best performing pair in the last week. It has moved higher to 113.67 and even looking good to reach to 114.77 and above. Japanese yen has dropped a lot against US dollar and dollar yen pair is supposed to go further higher. Before Friday I'm expecting it can reach to 114.77. On Friday I'm expecting dollar yen will drop to 113.06 and below. Dollar CAD dropped after touching 1.3077. We were expecting it will go all the way to 1.3200, but it dropped half and at the moment though it's on a support level, but I'm expecting it will further drop to 1.2809. From there I'm expecting a bigger correction. It can again go all the way to 1.3077, while on Friday after NFP and Canadian news I'm expecting another bigger drop, and it can drop to 1.2813 again. USD CHF moved all the way to 0.9816. Here it's supposed to go further higher to 0.9879. It can drop to 0.975, and from here we can again see a continuation of the bullish momentum, while on Friday I'm expecting it will drop to 0.9644 and below. Since Aussie USD bounced back from 0.7095, it's looking bullish, though it started dropping down, but still it looks good. I am looking at 0.7165. It can further drop to this level, but from here it's supposed to go again and retest 0.7301, while from Wednesday to Friday it can again drop to 0.7095, and from here I'm expecting a very bigger correction. It can go all the way to 0.7386 and much above, and in the coming week it's supposed to reach 0.7500 and above. Then New Zealand USD looked good in the first 3 days of the week, but then it dropped. For the next 2 days I'm expecting it can drop to 0.6542, and from here it can go for a correction. It's supposed to drop from there to 0.6489. From Thursday I'm expecting it can bounce back, and then on Friday after NFP it's supposed to go all the way to 0.6797. Gold started dropping down from Thursday. It dropped to 1180, where it found a very strong support. It has bounced back strongly. For the next 2 days I'm expecting it can go to 1203.75, from where it can drop again. It can drop to 1172, and then on Friday I'm expecting it can rally back to 1212, and after breaking this resistance level it's supposed to go all the way to 1228 and above. On Monday Nasdaq 100 dropped to 7445, from where it bounced back very strongly. It rallied all the way to 7657, while from Thursday then it started dropping down again. On Friday it moved higher. In the next 2 days I'm expecting it can move up to 7692. From that level it can go for a bigger correction. It can go all the way to 7445. On the other hand, if it finds a support at 7610, it can bounce back from, and it can reach to 7716 and above. So guys, that's all about our weekly analysis. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.